Hello Libra, hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat Libra. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for love, relationship, and romantic connection, romantic situation for Libra, please. Messages and energies for Libra. There is hurting, crying, depressed, pain, and sorrow. Someone is crying. Merong nasasaktan, Libra. Is this you or your person? Merong nalulungkot, kailangan ng inyong attention, gusto kang makita. Okay. Merong loneliness, no contact. Blocked, silent treatment, cut off all communication. Okay? Hindi makontak, ayaw makipag-usap sa inyo. Okay? Someone is not feeling well. Merong silent treatment. Nagpapakiramdaman. Kung sino ang una na kukontak or sino unang mag-unblock. Okay? Merong silent treatment. Ayaw makipag-usap sa inyo or makipagkita. Or this is you. You are doing this to your person. You are not contacting him or her. You are not allowing him or her to contact or see you. Stubborn, bossy, selfish, inflexible. Someone is stubborn, matigas ang ulo, okay, bossy. Pinipilit ang gusto. Okay. Is this you or your person? Scorpio. Oh, Libra. Oh, I mentioned Scorpio. Maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Iniisip ka ng person mo, Libra. Okay. Iniisip kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. May gusto siyang intindihin sa nangyayari, okay, in the relationship, sa inyong samahan. Okay. Maybe your person, pinoproblema ka, okay? He or she is concerned. Concerned siya sa inyo, Libra. There is no contact, okay? Someone is hurting. Yeah, gusto ka puntahan ng inyong person, Libra, okay? He or she is willing or determined napuntahan ka, okay, or makipag-usap sa inyo. He or she is a strong person, okay, goal-oriented, ambitious, willing siya mag-take ng mga challenges, okay, just to be with you, contact you or communicate with you or just to see you. Yeah, mahal ka ng person mo, Libra, okay? He or she is concerned about you. Mahal ka niya, gusto niya makipagkita, gusto niya mag-usap kayo ng masinsinan. Gusto ka niyang tulungan. Okay? Gusto niya maging malapit sa inyo. Kung ano man yung naging problema ninyo, okay? Or issues, gusto niya solusyonan. Gusto niya magkaayos kayong dalawa, okay? Okay? But you, you don't know what to do. Parang may inaalala ka, okay? You are worried on something. Maybe for some of you, you are not feeling well. Or maybe marami ka lang iniisip din, marami kang pinoproblema. Wala kang peace of mind, Libra. Okay. Yeah. Your person is a strong person, okay? And very brave. Gusto ka niya tulungan. He or she is patient at the same time. Kung ano yung mga problema, kaya niyang solusyonan. Ilapit mo lang sa kanya kung ano yung issues, ano yung problema mo, and willing siya natulungan ka at magbigay ng solusyon para sa inyo, okay? Or maibsan ang problema ninyo. Libra, kung ano yung gumugulo, okay? He or she wants to understand you. Kailangan mo yung tulong ng person mo, kailangan mo yung lakas ng person mo, okay? Kung ano man tong pinoproblema mo, Libra, you have to heal. Kung naglilinger sa inyo yung hurt, yung pain, okay, from your past experiences, may disappointment ka ba sa inyong sitwasyon or sa iyong sitwasyon, okay? You have to be transparent to your person kasi yung person mo is willing mag-offer ng help, willing makinig sa inyo. Okay? Kailangan niya lang ng clarity kung anong nangyayari sa inyo, Libra. Meron ka bang pinoproblema? Na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam? That's why hindi ka nagpaparamdam, okay? No contact, you're hurting, depressed, pain and sorrow. Malalampasan mo ang problema mo, Libra, kasama ang iyong person or yung partner ninyo. You just have to be transparent kung ano yung disappointments na meron ka, ano yung pinoproblema mo, ano yung concern or issues. You need to open up with this person, okay? Because this person kakayanin kung ano man ang problema ninyo at makapagbigay siya ng solusyon. Okay? You just have to trust and be confident with your person, Libra. Ito yung kailangan. Okay? Kailangan mo magtiwala sa inyong person. Okay. So, hindi naiintindihan ng person nyo kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Parang gumugulo din sa isip niya. Wala din siyang peace of mind. Lagi kang nasa isip niya. He or she wanted to travel or to go to you, to see you. Okay, and offer that help and love or support for you. But you are heartbroken or disappointed and sad. Okay. Yeah. Or it's the other way around. You feel that your person nag-worry din sa inyo. Okay, nalulungkot. Kung anong nangyayari, anong balita sa inyo. Okay. May kailangan ka bang sabihin? I-express? Libra? Iniisip mo din yung person mo, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung message. Bottom of the deck, main energy. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Kung ano man yung mga problema or issues mo or concerns, you will be able to overcome it. Merong kaliwanagan. You just have to stand up and try again. Bagong buhay, bagong pag-asa para sa inyo. You will be able to overcome it successfully. Magtiwala ka lang sa person mo na ito yung intention niya sa inyo, tulungan ka. Mahal ka ng person mo, Libra. Okay? You just have to be open. You have to overcome and heal kung ano man yung hindi pagkakaintindihan ninyong dalawa. Okay? Or kung meron ka mang past experiences na until now, naglilinger pa rin sa inyo, you need to take time to heal. You can be expressive and open to your person to help you out. Okay? Tingnan natin kung anong messages pa for Libra. 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 For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Or Cancer. Kapwa Libra. Okay. Messages please for Libra. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. Okay? Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. Be honest to one another. Okay? Trust your person. Wait, don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course. We have balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.